Hey guys, so what's going on today is we've got a little Baja Doodlebug here. We've done previously, did an engine swap, put a Honda GX 160 on it to make it a little faster, and that's working good, but now we got the problem of it doesn't want to stop. So what we've got here is we're going to replace, this is the old brake on here. We've gone ahead and ordered a new one right here with new pads in it. See that in there, and we're gonna go ahead and replace this one so we can stop again. So first thing we're gonna do, go ahead and remove the old one. Take these two bolts off first. To get those off, gonna undo this bolt here. Just like that. Gonna pull this cable out of there. And then this should come out of there. And then it should basically just come right off. So, as you can see, this is the old one. You look at how much brake pad is in there. It's not very much compared to the new one. It's got a lot more brake pads on there, so it's going to stop much better. And basically the way this works is the cable. The way this works is the cable grabs onto this part right here and it pulls it like that. See how that works? And when it pulls it like that, if you look inside, it actually closes the brake pads together, and that squeezes on this disc and stops the dirt bike from moving. So now I'm going to go ahead and stick this new one on here. Have to do some adjusting to get it going. It's a little tight. Come on. Come on. Stick this first bolt in here to hold it. Get that one in, we can slide it down to the next one. This is a little tighter than the old one, as you can see. There it goes. So now we're going to tighten these up. Don't need to go crazy tight on these. Just enough to hold it in there. Now that's tight. You're going to spin this so that you got the big end that's open facing that way so it catches this. Stick that in there like that. Now you're going to loosen up this bolt right here. And then push it in like that, and it's going to open up the back so you can feed this cable through. Like so, just like that. And you're going to want to get this tight, but not so tight that it's constantly clamping down on the brakes there and wearing them out. You want to get it just right there. That's good. You want to tighten it down good. pull the brake handle. Should pull down on those. So now what we gotta do is test it. So as you can see, this brake is working much better than the old one. With the old one, I would have been way down there by the time I stopped. The new one, you can see it actually left a skid mark on the ground where it stopped. So basically had enough power to lock up the whole back wheel, which is much better than it was before. So guys, that's how to install a new brake on the back of a Baja Doodlebug. If you liked the video, be sure to give a like, and as always, thank you guys for watching.